In this problem, they asked to find the RMS value. RMS value. What the function is given? They given some f of t. They given as what? 2 minus 3 cos 20 whole square. So from this f of t, which I can write it as what? 4 plus 9 cos square 20 minus 12 cos 20, which is equal to 4 plus 9 by 2 into 1 plus cos 20 theta. Yes, cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2 minus 12 cos 20. So from this, what I can say, it is 8 by 5 plus what? 9 by 2 na? How much it is? 9 by 2, that is 4.5 cos 20t minus 12 cos 20. So this is my f of t. I want the average value of this function na? Yes, sorry, RMS value, which is given as what? Square root of 8.5 whole square plus 4.5 by root 2 whole square plus 12 by root 2 whole square. Do simplify this thing, see what we'll get. 8.5 whole square plus 4.5 by root 2 square plus 12 root 2 square. So how much this value we can get? 12.42. This is the RMS value of the given function f of t.